Hello, this is me again, Daniel, for this a little short video at the construction, and today is still February 15, 2023, and it's about like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and they're still here since like 8 or something like that. Sorry I didn't do this sooner. I had things to take care of, personal things. And they're still here. Yep. I don't know what they're doing. Nice day today. We're gonna hit like 64 or 63. Tomorrow might be 60 with rain, and Friday goes back. Temperature drops down when the day goes by. Yep. So there you have it, folks. This is the 5th video for February 15, 2023. I'll see you maybe later for more videos. Until then, try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like other construction videos that I did in the past. See you later, and also I'm going to keep you in touch. Bye.